Today, I'm going to bring you to places where you can buy cheap that good kimchi. Korean influence is huge. Let's not deny it. From drama, how can I forget my ultimate high school Korean drama favorite, Voice Over Flowers and Dream High. Remember the badass sassy Kang Manuel of Hotel de Luna? Cranky, sometimes crazy,
뭐 이런 개똥 같은 경우가 다 있어!
but with sweet, kind, loving heart. You're not on the medical field, pero feeling mo, surgeon ka after watching doctor drama series like this. Yeah, so cool.
내려오라.
저도 지금 내려가고 싶은데 보시다시피 여기 너무 높고 온몸에 힘이
Kinalig ka at natawa kina yung Seri at Captain Ri
풀고 있어요.
sa Crash Landing in You. Of course, aside from drama, K-pop music takes part of their huge influence too. I love this part. So excited for your comeback, Blackpink. And even food. I never liked it at first, but now, what can I say? I really love it. And kimchi is one of the traditional side dishes of Korea. It's basically a fermented Napa cabbage, which typically has seasonings like salt, onions, garlic, ginger, and chili peppers. This is also a known side dish for our favorite Korean barbecue or samgyupsal. Or even when eating noodles or dried noodles alone. When you started to crave, you'll want it so badly. Before pandemic, did you also went to samgyupsal almost a week like I did? Then I started liking seaweed since my friend Nika influenced me with it. And then I started looking for it too. So here's the store that I bought kimchi so far. First is Masan, located at Cubao Farmers Market. When you enter the store, you will be amazed of the varieties of Korean food products that are in the shelves. From Korean drinks, snacks, noodles, to spices, frozen foods, pre-cut meats, and side dishes like kimchi. I suggest you just visit the store and check out for the items, or you can also visit their website and Facebook page. Plus, the Korean owner is very accommodating. Insert thumbs up and wink emoji. By the way, kimchi. Their small container of kimchi is 120 pesos. Seaweed is 60 pesos. During lockdown, my second option was Sarang Mart, which is only around Kalayaan Ave. Price is higher compared to Musan. Their same size or small container of kimchi costs 130 pesos. And seaweed, same brand, is 65 pesos. But when it comes to taste, for me, sarang kimchi is much better. It's not watery at all, which I like. Also, there's an option for the level of spiciness. Whoa! I even came back again and bought bigger size for 200 pesos. That bigger container size of kimchi though didn't even last for 3 days. Masarap eh, kaso bitin. I tried to look for more stores to buy kimchi. Here's the help of social media again. Actually, Ronald tagged me to this post, so thanks Ron. Big surprise is, you can buy 1 kilo of kimchi for the same price of sarang's bigger container for only 200 pesos at Golden Baboy. Lagi ako dito dumadaan eh, and I always see their big signage of their resto. It makes my cravings even stronger. Though, I didn't bother to check or try even though I'm near the area. They are located at Maginhawa. Their in-demand Chef Nam's Golden Kimchi is available for pickup from 10:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. If you're only 15 minutes away from their branch, you can even have it delivered in your house with minimum order worth 900 pesos for only 90 pesos delivery fee. Well, for me, 900 pesos worth of kimchi is too much. So I ordered 1 kilo only for pickup. Dial their number, send your order and details, then good to go.
Check guys, it's 10:20 and the store opens at 10:30 a.m. so we're going there right now to pick up our order. Wala yung service natin today, so we're doing it the usual way. We're going to ride a tricycle. Kita ko sa likod. Okay. Kaya mag-vlog dito sa labas, pero just ride on it. Sa Golden Baboy po. So guys, we're ready here. And I'm so excited. Excited din pa Pick up po ng order. Kimchi po. Kimchi po. Yan, ma'am. Isang kilo lang.
Babae, 200 ma'am. Wait lang mo receipt ma'am.
Sige. Kimchi po. Kimchi po mo. Sure. We got our 1 kilo kimchi here at Golden Baboy. Enjoy!
What I love about Golden Baboy is they don't only offer pick up and delivery for kimchi. They also have ready-made samgyupsal. Just order what you like, have it delivered, and enjoy your samgyupsal at home. We also tried to make our own kimchi before, following Maangchi traditional kimchi recipe. This is how far cravings go that you have to make your own.
Shoutout nga din pala kina Kelsey Brian Borse and Ronald Rocha for being the first 2 top fan for our page. Keep supporting, guys. Thank you!